Hey friends, happy day after Christmas. I hope everybody is doing well. I want to show you how to make a really quick, easy recipe using the slow cooker feature on your quick cooker, or if you have another slow cooker, or maybe the rock crock with the slow cooker stand. So I've got a lot of this ready to go, real quick and easy. In the quick cooker inner pot, you'll find that I've already rinsed and drained these. I have 4 cans of Great Northern beans. I have 1 can of pinto beans. I just put all of these in one of our stainless mesh colanders in the sink, rinsed them all, drained them, and added them to the quick cooker inner pot that goes with this quick cooker. We're gonna add 2 cans of Rotel. This is the Mexican style with lime and cilantro. I love the flavor that we're gonna get from these. So we're gonna do 2 cans of Rotel. I'm gonna also add some salsa. I'm not a measuring cook, so I need about a 1/2 cup, so I'm just gonna put the rest of this jar. It's not a ton in there, but there's at least a 1/2 cup. It's probably closer to a full cup. Add that in, and then I'm also going to add about 3 tablespoons of Pampered Chef's Carnitas slow cooker seasoning. If you've never tried this, I really encourage you to order it. This is one of my favorite seasonings that we sell. Actually, it is my favorite that we sell. I used to like the Southwest seasoning the best, but I use this one pretty much exclusively now for anything I need like taco seasoning for. So if you have a recipe that calls for a packet of taco seasoning, you can substitute 2 tablespoons of this Carnitas slow cooker seasoning for that and not have to buy taco seasoning packets anymore. So I've gone ahead and measured out 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna toss that in, and I'm just gonna take my mixing scraper and I'm gonna mix all of this together. Let's see here. Get it all mixed nicely. And then I'm gonna toss on top of this about 2 pounds of chicken tenders. You could use chicken breasts, you could use a combination of breasts and thighs, really whatever you want, just boneless chicken. And I'm gonna use the slow cooker lid. So this is not the regular lid that you would use for pressure cooking in the quick cooker. This is the slow cooker lid, so it has a little vent here. And it's really easy to use this. I'm just gonna turn the dial to where it says slow cook, and I'm gonna go with the 4 hours. Now, our slow cooker, our quick cooker has a slow cooker feature that is at 1 temperature. So it's really more like a high. So a lot of slow cookers have a high and a low. There's very little temperature difference between low and high. So Pampered Chef made ours just to be at the high setting. So after 4 hours, this should be done, and it will automatically switch over to a warm setting. So I don't have to do anything. If we're not ready to eat in 4 hours, it's a little bit early for dinner. This will just stay on warm. When it's completely done, I'm gonna shred the chicken because it'll be on the top. I can easily shred that with our salad choppers. And then I'm gonna add in a 1/2 cup of sour cream, and I'm also gonna add in a little bit of heavy whipping cream, probably about a 1/2 cup. And that just gives it that really, really creamy, delicious texture to our chili. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll post the recipe so that you have it and you can make it at home. Have a great afternoon. Let me know if you have any questions.